biggest difference for me between other systems is the fact that it provides what 4 different systems provided now in one system. So we were been desiring some kind of overhead support system. This provides that. We have a system that gives resistance with bands against the wall. Now this integrates not just the overhead support, but it also provides resistance within that. So it's really come together and provided multiple modalities of support and resistance together, and provided that in a room where we were unable to put the other kinds of systems before. Really excited to have the 3D vertical system here at NeuroRestorative. It has totally given a new side to what we're able to do with our clients, and it's also freed hands to be able to treat and give directions without having to be able to hold on for safety or for support. The system for us has provided a lot more support in different areas so that the client can be positioned properly or working against a different direction of pull, while we're able to have our hands and our bodies free to be able to interact with the client in other ways. As a team, we often work together and co-treats with occupational therapists and physical therapists, and we've done that in the past out of necessity, because a lot of our more demanding clients that have more physical challenges would require that much support and hands-on in order to move a leg forward or to give cueing physically. But now with this machine, we are absolutely able to do things that require 2, sometimes even 3 people with just one individual interacting. And especially once you get them set up, it already provides those cues with different lines of pull and resistance and support without actually having to physically give it from the physical therapist standpoint and assistance. I think some have asked what kind of patients is this best for, but we have really seen that our whole spectrum of patients have benefited from it. From our lowest patients that really need a lot of support to be able to get their body in a good upright position. They have benefited from it from spinal cord injuries that have no volitional movement from their lower extremities. We're able to get them up in a standing position, not just held in a standing position, but be able to move where they can volitionally. But even to our clients that are at a high level, walking, talking, that may have some high level balance or stability issues, we're able to get them and work with them in a more dynamic way that's more challenging than we were able to provide before. So we're able to support the very physically challenged patients, and we're able to highly challenge some of our more able-bodied